Jake's Auto and Fabrication here. Hummer H1. They're like the coolest vehicles ever. This one has given me some hassles today. I accidentally locked myself out. Had the cops come, they couldn't get into it. Eventually found a window slightly open to be able to get into, to get a wire down and crank the handles. But this guy has a theft deterrent that I'm installing, kind of homemade. It is super simple. I was going to show, or the steps, if you wanted to hook theft deterrent to probably most older vehicles that aren't crazy computer controlled. But I simply went to the ignition. Key goes here, wiring connector here, and I couldn't find a schematic or it would have been simpler, but I unplugged one wire at a time until I found the cutoff. So the green wire cuts the engine. I installed a bracket I made, installed a trigger or switch, you can hear it, with a little aluminum bracket I made. It'll have a normal toggle, and these are great because they give you 3 pins and you can kind of use them a little differently than they're designed, as long as you're not carrying a lot of voltage. But you come down off, the 2 yellow wires need to be connected for the vehicle to run. So you're going to run that to your switch. When it's running and somebody doesn't know about the toggle, it'll cut the vehicle. When you need to use it normally and you get back in it, you flip the switch, it sends the circuit through the switch, completes that, and this doesn't matter anymore. But I'll demonstrate it here in a minute. So now we're going to test it out here. The switch this way should be normal. Here's our hidden toggle. I mean, it's not the most hidden, but if somebody tries to steal this thing while it's running and you run in the gas station, I doubt they're going to figure it out this fast. You can hit the brake, do all your stuff, go to the gas station, flip your toggle. Say somebody jumps in this, they have to hit the brake to shift. They're going to hit the brake. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Yep, they can restart it. But they're going to hit the brake. I thought that was nifty. And stay tuned for next week. How to wire bypass a module on a 13 Cadillac XTX. Because China won't release it. We're not making them. Intergalactic back order. So I'm gonna do some wiring and make a jumper harness, Wizard of Oz makeshift, make it run again. So, but that's the simple kill switch on a 94 or 96 Hummer H1. Yeah.